Welcome to this ApproveIT 365 demo video. If you haven't watched the setup video, including the ApproveIT 365 wizard, click the card in the corner to visit that first and come back to this one after. Let me show you how ApproveIT 365 will improve your sales quotes and invoicing process. ApproveIT 365 integrates DocuSign within Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Use ApproveIT in combination with your DocuSign subscription. Once set up, the solution is easy to use. I will show you in a short demo with a sales quote made in Business Central. Let's start by creating a new sales quote. Select the customer and the preferred contact with their email address. I'll add the items we are going to quote them on and give them a 20% discount. Basically, this is all we need to do to start the ApproveIT flow. Click on Actions, ApproveIT, and start ApproveIT flow. In the pop-up, the recipient's email address and name are shown with some default settings. Click OK to send out the quote. At the bottom of the page, the ApproveIT status is changed to Sent. The customer receives the DocuSign link to the sales quote in their inbox. These documents can be reviewed and signed directly within DocuSign. When the customer is finished signing, they can save a copy of the document and they will get an email when all signees have signed. Let's see what happens in Business Central. Update the status via Action, ApproveIT, Get ApproveIT Status. This will prompt a pop-up to convert the sales quote to a sales order. Open the sales order. The sales team can pick up the sales order from here and process it to the warehouse if needed. This sales order now includes the signed sales quote that was just approved. This document can be found as an attachment on the right-hand side of your sales order and will be stored in your BC environment. A short recap of the ApproveIT 365 process. Create a sales quote in Business Central. Send this quote directly to your customer from Business Central. They approve and sign the documents digitally in DocuSign. When updated, the sales quote is now a sales order and the signed documents are already saved as an attachment. Download ApproveIT 365 from Microsoft's App Source and start using it today. For the demo video on how to set up ApproveIT 365, just click the video on screen. Thank you for watching.